Hey guys, I wanted to tell you how Royal Enfield is very much supportive to the customers and how generous they are acting when there is a request on to them. So I have a Classic Reborn which is 1 year old. So lately I've started observing the fog in the LCD display and the speedometer. So this is happening when you're driving in rains or you're doing a wash. So I won't be able to see anything if there is fog in the LCD display. So since this is in warranty, I took it to the service center and I explained them the issue. So they sent out an email, they took all the photos and videos for the proofs and sent it to Royal Enfield. And within a couple of weeks, Royal Enfield accepted that and they did call me for the replacement of the speedometer. So this is the new speedometer, I got it. You can see it is now at 10 kilometers only after all the test drives and all. So earlier my speedometer was I've driven around 3000 kilometers, and after this I'm very much happy how they have responded to the customers. Great job Royal Enfield, great job. So look no further guys, go get your Royal Enfield.